Hey y'all, I just wanted to get on here tonight and let you know that we're going to do last week's drawing. I do apologize that we didn't do it until this evening. I was feeling a little under the weather, so we're going to take care of that tonight. But first, before I get to the drawing, I want to remind you of some upcoming videos that I'm going to be doing shortly. I'm going to be doing a banana cake recipe and some pumpkin spice cupcakes, and several other really delicious things like scampi and some potato recipes. So y'all stay tuned for all those that's going to be coming up. I'm sure you'll don't want to miss out on that. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and draw for this lovely bamboo cutting board. So let's see. Got the names in the colander. And Tina Tanner is our winner. And Tina, we will get in touch with you and message you and let you know how we can get this to you. So what I need y'all to do, we're going to be giving another one of these away at the end of the week and then next week as well. So what you need to do is go on and subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch one of my videos and then share it either to your Facebook or your Instagram and comment cutting board in the comment section. That way you will get registered to win one of these. They are really, really nice. So I hope that y'all will do that and watch all my videos and share them and comment. Let me know how you like all of them. And if there's something that y'all want to see or a recipe that you'd like me to try, just drop me a message. So anyway, y'all have a great evening and congratulations, Tina.